Today we're working on a pair of shoes that were found in an attic. All right, so it is an Allen Edmonds Potomac loafer, and these things are, I mean, they're dusty. It's obvious that they were in an attic. The right shoe was a little bit more worn than the left shoe, so the guy sent them in and we're just gonna give them a fun overhaul. All right, before we get started, the first thing we gotta do is clean these off. All right, so opened the bucket. This was all I had left of hot cork, so I had already reached up, grabbed the sheet cork, but guess what literally just walked through the door? Woo-wee! Isn't she pretty? So as I'm putting the glue on these soles, I'm trying to think what I want to do to the bottoms. Sometimes I just want to do something a little out of the box, so the wheels are turning. There's several things that I hate. Waiting for glue to dry because I got things to do and not getting a good night's sleep. Being a business owner is a whole new type of stress, but finally I'm getting good sleep thanks to today's video sponsor, Helix. I've had my Helix for about a month and my sleep has drastically changed. Normally I sleep on my side or sleep on my back and I toss and turn and I wind up waking up at like 3 in the morning and can't go back to sleep. This all changed when I got my Helix mattress. Helix Sleep is fiberglass free. Unlike other brands, Helix mattresses do not contain fiberglass, which can be harmful to your health. Now, to make things simple, because Helix knows that everybody is different, they give you an online quiz to find out what your sleep patterns are like and which mattress will best fit your sleep style. And based on my quiz results, we got paired up with the Dusk Luxe version. The best part about all of this is Helix will actually deliver your mattress right to your door, free shipping within the US. The mattress comes rolled up in a box and it's super easy to set up yourself. You literally just put it up, unroll it, and it starts to take a life of its own. If it makes you nervous to buy something that you haven't tried, especially online these days, Helix has a 100-night sleep trial. So you get yours for more than 3 months before you get to decide whether you love it or you want to send it back. But trust me, you're gonna love it. Plus, Helix mattress has a 10-year warranty, and they even offer financing options and flexible payment plans so that you can get a great night's sleep. Guys, I love my Helix mattress, and I think you will too. If you're looking for a new bed, check out Helix Sleeps, or just click on the link below, or you can go to helixsleep.com/Trent. They will give you 20% off your next mattress and 2 free pillows. Came up with an idea of what I'm gonna do with the sole. It's gonna look a little funky at first, but I think it's pretty creative. Let's do it. All right, now you've seen us airbrush these soles. We don't always do it with a dauber, but I need a good base coat. And so we're just gonna start off with some red. There where the stitches are gonna go. So what I'm going to do is just add a little bit of navy blue and blend it out with alcohol, rubbing alcohol. All right, these are Allen Edmonds, so we are putting Allen Edmonds top lifts and put some blocks from Allen Edmonds on there as well. Let's stick them. Resole is done. Let's get them shined up. All right, Renovateur is done. Put a little cream on there. All right, we've wrapped up this pair of Allen Edmonds resoles, but before we show you the final reveal, check out potterandsons.com. We are taking a recrafting again, and we have our leather goods back up, and we're actually expanding those leather goods. Also check out Southern Polish. We got more leather coming in. The sandals are gonna keep getting pumped out. And also, y'all go check out Helix. I really am sleeping like a baby now that I've got this new mattress. All right, here is the final reveal. All right. We wanted to just get a little bit more creative on the bottoms of these, so we did a marbled, it's like a dark blue and red marbled look. Hey, some people love it, some people hate it. Let us know in the comments, would you want something like this on your shoes? As soon as you wear them, it does kind of, you know, part of it wears off, but it looks kind of cool. I like it. Other than that, we just did a basic Allen Edmonds resole. And we used Allen Edmonds blocks and hills and basically what comes on our Allen Edmonds package. We did put toe taps on there, which that doesn't come with it unless you want it. And normally we don't do the marble effect. It's just regular sole. But anyways, what do you think about this look? Till next time, y'all have a good one.